Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a pretty wild adventure. I spent an entire 30 days living inside this Honda Motorhome. Yep, you heard that right. Honda actually makes motorhomes. And after a whole month, I've got some stories, lessons, and a few surprises to share. So, what's it really like to live in a Honda Motorhome for a month? Let's just say, it's been a mix of challenges and unexpected rewards. Here's a breakdown of what happened, what I loved, what drove me nuts, and everything in between. Alright, so let's start with day one. Like anyone, the first day was all about getting set up and figuring things out. I was actually surprised by how compact and smartly designed this motorhome is. There's a mini kitchen, a bathroom, and a cozy sleeping area. But let me tell you, moving from a full-size apartment to this tiny space, it was an adjustment. One of the biggest challenges? Living with less. I'm used to having, well, way more space, a full wardrobe, tons of kitchen gadgets. Here, it was just the bare essentials. And by essentials, I mean barely enough. By the end of the first week, I was starting to settle into a routine. Waking up, making breakfast in a kitchen that's pretty much the size of my closet, and planning everything around things like water and battery life. I hadn't realized how much I rely on those utilities until I was living off the grid. Eye-opening, to say the least. And then there's the bathroom. Honda kept it minimal. It's efficient, but let's just say it took some getting used to. Every little task, from washing dishes to showering, took strategy and patience. After getting the basics down, week 2 was all about hitting the road and exploring. I took the motorhome to some incredible spots, mountains, lakesides, even some hidden trails. It really started to feel like my little mobile sanctuary. There's nothing like waking up in a new place each day, opening the door, and having nature right there. But, yeah, there were some tough moments. I had a couple of breakdown scares, a few nights where it got way too cold, and let's just say bugs. And I became very well acquainted. Week 3 brought a bit of an unexpected challenge. Living alone in such a small space got a little intense. You'd think the views and peace would be enough, but after a while, I really started to miss just people. Spending this much time alone made me face boredom, loneliness, and even some of my own thoughts. Honestly, it was pretty powerful, but it wasn't all serious. I had some epic solo dance parties, tried new recipes, and got a taste of a simpler lifestyle I didn't realize I could enjoy so much. By the 4th week, I felt like a seasoned pro. I could set up camp in minutes, had my routines down to a science, and knew every inch of this Honda motorhome. Looking back, this experience changed the way I see home, travel, and even myself. So, would I do it again? Absolutely. It was challenging, but every day felt like a little adventure. Living in this Honda motorhome for 30 days taught me to appreciate simplicity, be adaptable, and just enjoy the journey. I think we could all use a bit more of that. If you've ever thought about RV life, or just wanted to try something new, I say go for it. And hey, if you want to see more travel experiments like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.